Welcome to the best picks. The best Eufy RoboVac battery is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make for your robot vacuum, ensuring its longevity and peak performance. A worn-out battery can significantly reduce your cleaning efficiency, leaving you with frustratingly short cleaning sessions and incomplete coverage, but replacing it can restore your RoboVac to its former glory, giving you longer cleaning times and the same powerful suction you loved when it was new. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing and installing the right replacement battery for your Eufy RoboVac. Number 5. Keenstone Replacement Battery. It works with many robot vacuums, including popular models from Eufy and Ecovacs. Please double-check your model number before ordering to ensure compatibility. This battery uses premium rechargeable cells and an advanced chip to ensure stable power and long life. Expect minimal performance loss even after hundreds of charges. With a powerful 14.4 V 2600 mAh capacity, it provides 120 to 180 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. Clean your entire home without interruption. Built-in safety features protect against short circuits, overvoltage, overheating, and overcurrent. It's designed for safe and reliable operation. It's designed for easy installation and fits perfectly. Get back to effortlessly cleaning your floors, removing dirt, dust, hair, and debris. What we like. This battery boasts impressive compatibility with numerous robot vacuum models. It offers an extended runtime, ensuring your cleaning sessions are thorough. If you need a reliable and versatile option, this is the one for you. What people say. After the initial charge, the first run of the vacuum lasted 2 hours. Every subsequent charge and running the battery lasted an hour and 40 minutes exactly. Ran for 6 months without losing any charge capacity or run time. It's working great now. The installation was a breeze. Now the thing runs like it's brand new, even at 6 years old. Number 4. FirstPower 3200 mAh Eufy Battery. This battery provides up to 180 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. Enjoy longer cleaning sessions without interruption. It's designed to perfectly replace your old Eufy battery. Installation is quick and easy, taking only about 2 minutes. This battery uses top-grade lithium cells with built-in safety features. It's protected against overcharging, overdischarging, and short circuits. Even after 500 charging cycles, it retains more than 95% of its original capacity. You'll enjoy long-lasting performance. Simply remove a couple of screws, swap the connectors, and you're ready to go. Get back to clean floors in minutes. Double-check your robot vacuum's battery connector. This battery is compatible with the 3-prong type. Avoid purchasing the wrong product. What we like. With a higher capacity than many competitors, it provides extra cleaning time. It also charges quickly, minimizing downtime. If you value convenience and a longer cleaning time, this battery is perfect for you. What people say. It was easy to replace. Put it on its back and turn it off. Use the included screwdriver to remove the 2 small screws and lift the cover. Lift the battery out by the tapes provided on the old battery and unclip the connector to release the connection. Reconnect the new battery pack and place it into the unit, stowing the wires in the same way as the originals. Replace cover and screws, turn the power switch back on and place it on the charger until it has fully charged. After 2 years with my Eufy, it stopped working. It was giving a red light and making beeping noises when it was on its charging dock. I ordered this battery and it was a perfect fit and replacement for the original. It took only a few minutes to install. The Eufy went to work and vacuumed my floors for an hour and 10 minutes. Previously it only worked for 45 minutes before needing to recharge. This battery has a larger capacity than the original Eufy, so I think that's why it ran longer and perhaps took a slightly longer amount of time to charge. The video on the product page shows you the steps. Flip over the vacuum, use the included screwdriver to open up the battery case, gently squeeze the prongs on the connector to release the original batter, then reattach and close everything up. The vacuum started right up after this. Number 3. AHJ Replacement Robot Vacuum Battery. This AHJ battery works with many popular robot vacuums, including Ecovacs, Deebot and Eufy RoboVac models. It's a perfect replacement for your old battery, giving your robot a new lease on life. Enjoy a longer cleaning time with this battery. It provides 90 to 120 minutes of runtime on a single charge, ensuring your whole house gets thoroughly cleaned. It's built with 4 premium rechargeable cells. This means it can handle 300 to 500 charge cycles, providing long-lasting performance. Safety features are built in, protecting against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. Use it with confidence. Replacing your old battery is quick and easy. It only takes about 2 minutes to install. Just remove a couple of screws and reconnect the battery. We stand behind our product. Purchase with confidence knowing you have a full 1-year warranty. What we like. This battery offers a reliable performance with a long runtime. It's made with high-quality cells for a longer lifespan. If you prioritize safety and a balance of performance and longevity, this is a great choice. What people say. Works great and easy to change. Switch this one out for the old same exact product, just different manufacturer. Started right up, works perfect. Plop in this replacement, and it's back in action. I get 2 to 2.5 hours of battery, which is more than enough for the small area that the vacuum is zoned for. Number 2. Eufy RoboVac Replacement Battery. This battery gives your robot vacuum a longer run time, up to 180 minutes on a single charge. Clean your entire house without interruption. It's made with high-quality materials and an advanced chip to ensure stable power and a long lifespan. Enjoy consistent performance. This replacement battery is designed to fit seamlessly into your robot vacuum. Installation is quick and easy. It works with a wide range of robot vacuums, including Eufy RoboVac and Ecovacs Deebot models. Check compatibility before ordering. It has built-in safety features to protect against short circuits, overvoltage, overheating, and overcurrent. Use it with confidence. Even after 500 charging cycles, it retains more than 95% of its original capacity. Enjoy lasting cleaning power. What we like. This high-capacity battery provides extended cleaning time on a single charge. It also includes multiple safety features for peace of mind. If you need a powerful and safe battery, this is a great option. What people say. The battery fit perfect, works like new, seems like it runs longer than the original battery. This worked great for replacing the battery in my RoboVac, the Eufy 25C. Replacing it was simple, it even came with the screwdriver. Now my little robot is back to work. I recently purchased this 14.4V 3200 mAh Li-ion replacement battery for my Eufy RoboVac, and I'm very pleased with it. The battery arrived quickly and was easy to install. I expect the battery to last just as long as the original one, and it provides consistent suction power. I've had no issues with it overheating or losing charge prematurely. It's a great replacement battery that has restored my RoboVac to full functionality. Number 1. Replacement battery for Eufy RoboVac and Ecovacs Deebot. This battery works with many robot vacuums. It's compatible with a wide range of Eufy RoboVac and Ecovacs Deebot models, ensuring a perfect fit for your cleaning needs. Safety features are built in for your peace of mind. It protects against short circuits, overvoltage, overheating, and overcurrent. Enjoy long-lasting cleaning power. With a 14.4V 3000 mAh capacity, it provides up to 120 to 180 minutes of runtime per charge and lasts for up to 500 cycles. Replacing your old battery is simple. Just remove a couple of screws, disconnect the old battery, and connect the new one. It's quick and easy. It's time to get back to effortlessly clean floors. This replacement battery will have your robot vacuum cleaning up dirt, dust, hair, and debris in no time. What we like. This battery offers a balance of capacity and ease of use. It's simple to install and includes safety features to protect your robot vacuum. If you value a straightforward installation and reliable performance, this is a good choice. What people say. This replacement battery is a game changer for my Robo Vacuum. It restored its original runtime, lasting longer than expected even on high-performance mode. Installation was simple, and it charged quickly. Replacement was straightforward and easy. Better than having to buy another vacuum. It was easy to install. The vacuum works like new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.